that, because as this piece comes down, this lip, this follows. You know, the original designer cut these lines, so we're thinking if we make just this black, that would tie in. You know, well, I'm the test case, I guess. If no one else has done it, we'll see. if it turns out, I think it's gonna look good. It won't. It'll definitely be different, right? And so many different beautiful Z's out there. Stock ones are beautiful. So a couple of years now, it's time to mess with it a little bit, right? Right, Ray? It's a beautiful car in stock, the way it came, but it's time to mess with it a little bit right now. Huh? So we're just discussing, you know, the next stage, where we're going to add a black strip here, and then Ray's going to blacken the inner channel all the way up through the roof with not a flat black but a gloss black to match this black and this gloss, and we're going to just try to get that look of a consistent windshield, a consistent window glass going all across the top, because well, man, all you lucky guys with panel roofs and sunroofs and stuff, I mean, you know, I got to do something, you know, at least I got to get the best looks out of it, right? So, man, this car looks good like this. You know, there's this black, this is black now, right? Why was it ever that brown stuff, man? Why did they do that when they had black treatments? Okay, but so Ray's doing, we're dealing with the front license plate holes, and this is where somebody can give us ideas. After I upload this, you guys give us ideas on what you think would look good there, without having to, you know, paint and do a whole spray and try to, you know, match it, because it's going to be something that it needs to be ready to put a plate back on if it needs to. Right?
If you don't want to put the plate, you're going to have to paint it.
Yeah.
You can't feel it.
It's some kind of piece there or a plate, right? But it's just going to be a nice, discreet little piece.
I think that little plate that I was talking about.
Yeah.
What we need to do to look good.
Yeah.
Of course, clean that right there.
Oh.
But
That's what I was wondering about. This strip here, what if not this?
the whole one,
What if the bottom strip was black? Because it's all scratchy anyway. You know, it's been scratched from curbs and stuff. You know, and so it's a good surface to stick something to. And
that would kind of look good, because if you come right here and look at it, Mark, come right here at this angle and look at it, brother. All you can see is this little piece, okay?
yeah,
But you get in front of the car, you can see the whole thing of it. This
Yeah.
just appears looking at it, at least from this angle.
I think that's
pretty
I
cool.
think that's a new thing we just come to agree on.
Yeah, right. Let's just do that, not the whole thing. What you think? Well, your two-tones broke off, and this being black too. Oh, this is broke off, but there's nothing but silver.
That'll break off there and it won't flow to the back.
If you're going to do that, I'd go right here and paint all this right here black. Because this is already black all the way on the bottom. It's going to be black all the way on the bottom right here already. I'd do the whole fucking entire bottom black, brother. There.
So if this goes black around this from the line down, and we cut across, but we don't want to do the whole thing. We just want to do that center strip,
Just right here.
so we don't look like a kid's
On the doors
been at it.
on it, and leave this gray.
Yes,
That would look.
that would balance out and pull enough.
It won't look. It
black.
won't look like no cheap ass kit that's been put on and painted black. It'd be custom. It'd look good, because it'd be just two strips on that. And I mean, that'd be fire. But
Again,
this is the urethane the 2K urethane paint for this. This is the hot rod black,
And-
which is everybody's pretty much #1 recommended if you use it though.
And this is 3M
This
trim
is
paint?
3M trim paint that's painted on here,
Yeah.
which is both good products. But for durability, both of them's good for durability. But on chrome, I mean on wheels, you know, something like this, steel, this look good, and it binds, it sticks.
We're also discussing what to do with this tail light, and I'd love to hear comments, you know, here, because I like the light, but I don't like this chrome line. I want to cover that without, you know, covering the light too much. But any ideas would be great. So this 10K to life, this one's getting long enough, and we'll make more. Bye guys.